Soumya. I'm going to explain you PHP, um, hypertext preprocessor, and here I'll explain you about the database connection and cookies. How to connect the MySQL with PHP. You will see this one. I will just create a login page, same like is given in this using the database. First of all, we'll go to the code. Just ask to first connect to the database. So here you use connect.php. In that you use a localhost, root, and the password. Like localhost, username, and password, and you connect it using the connection object connection, and that is equals to MySQL connect, and then gives the hostname, username, and the password, and that's how you create a database. We'll see it in the code. Here we'll see the connection part. So here is a connection part, like how I showed connection, MySQL local root, and then again you use MySQL or DBMS. The company is my database what I have created. I'll show you the company how to create it. Here just go back. Here you have a database company. I have created it, and then the table I have created is users. It's the users what username user table what I have created, and then here I included two rows. And if you want, you can insert the more rows using insert option here. Using insert option, we can create a values like username. You can give something, then password you can give, and you can click go, then the new row get inserted. And coming to the next coding, they just asked to create the one next one, they asked to create a login page. They asked to create write a registration form. Registration form will use the post method. Using the post method, so we use a super global variable post here. This is the syntax how we use a post here. We'll get the values whatever we have given in the login page using post values from one page to the next PHP page, and we use query, like dollar query is equals to insert into the whatever user table name what you gave in the database, and the passwords whatever you are getting, and you will run the query using MySQL query. Then that value get inserted successfully, echo inserted successfully. We'll go to the coding here, the registration part. Basic thing is normally we'll just create body, and then let's use CSS files to align the thing. Then here is the main thing what we need to see is PHP code here, registration form. Then we are selecting the username from the users, and then my number rows dollar result is equals to 0. It comes no users registered. Then that gives we'll go to the after registration form, we'll go to the login form here. Login form is we'll create login form using the username password, the same thing using the post super global variable, and you will encrypt the password and store it in the database as if we have seen it here. The values whatever you have, the password whatever is storing in the database, it's in an encrypted form, and we use SHA for that. So we use SHA1 for the thing, and then again you will select the values, username, and the password. Then the result you will execute. Then if there is MySQL num rows, you will get the values, and you will update the values using the session key. Then you'll set the cookie is used to set the cookies and store the values in the browser for some limit of time. Here they gave 60 cross 60 cross 24, so it will be stored for 24 hours for one day. After that, then after giving a login form, then you should go to the main page, like welcome page. In welcome page, I'll just give some CSS style here. You will go to the main thing. You will get the values using is set using the cookie and the username. So that I want this name to be printed on the welcome page. So I'll print the value here. Then if it is not, then I will else if it is not, then you will print the same value here, user name. For every PHP file we just need to start with the session start, that you need it will be getting updated here. Then we'll go to the forgot page. Page is nothing but if you forgot the page, if you click that on that thing, then it get forget the password, and then it get updated here. We'll go to the login page. Suppose login page, what is index page I have. Then I'll just give some of the code here. I have created the database for this, so I'll give some name. Okay. I'm loading in. So I'm getting loaded. When it's the password and the username is correct, then that value takes and it moves, and then this welcome page comes. Then that gives welcome Mr. or Mrs. This is the thing. What a username I have given. I passed from the first page to the last welcome page. This is why we use post and get values. We'll go back, and here we have two more things like register or forget password. Why we use register is nothing but to create a new record into the database. So we'll create some new thing. Okay, then password, like we'll give something Samya 1 2 3 4 5. Then I'll give Samya 1 2 3 4 5. Then I'll submit it. If the values are correct, then it comes like registered. It got registered, and then that give me login page. Then you can log in it here. The mail what you have given is wrong. So go to the forgot password. But good password is nothing but it have a username, email ID, password, and confirm password, and that gives the mail. It comes to the mail ID whatever you have, and that you create the values here. So welcome page, register page, and the forward page, forgot page we have. That's how we create the web pages over here. Then this is the remember me. Yeah, you got the page again. You just ask remember me. If you click remember me, it gets. If you go back to the page, the only username will be given, but then the password you have to type it again. This is how you do this database connectivity. Thank you.